Hi everyone, I'm here with another XRCAM tutorial, and today we're going to learn how to use the XRCAM 2.0, and we're going to download the XRCAM to our Android phone. And so let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing we're going to do right here, I have an Android phone, and this is a very inexpensive prepaid Android phone that I purchased at Walmart. And so this will let you know that you can use the XRCAM with any type of Android, even the least expensive ones. So we're going to let our phone power up. And this is a pretty old Android as well, so it should be able to work with your Android that you have. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and enter my password into my Android. Okay, so now I have my Android powered up. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is go to the Google Play Store, and you're going to want to download a QR code scanner to your phone, because you're going to want to use that scanner to scan a QR code that will take you to a website so you can download the XRCAM app. So we're going to go to the Google Play Store here. And we're going to pick this QR code scanner here. And we're going to install that on our Android. And that'll take a little bit of time to install. Okay, so now our QR barcode scanner is installed, and we'll go ahead and open it up. And we're going to scan this QR code here. That's going to take us to this link here. We're going to click on this link to download the XRCAM app to our Android. And now it's asking you, do you want to download the XRCAM? And you're going to click on download. And then we're going to click on download again. And at the bottom, as you can see, it's saying it's downloading. And now it's asking me if I want to open. So I'm going to click on open. And now it's asking me, do you want to install the application? It does not require any special access. Excuse me, it does not require any special access. So we're going to click on install. And now it's installing. And now it's saying the app is installed. So we're going to click on done. And we should be able to go to our apps and see that XRCAM app is installed there at the bottom. So now what we're going to want to do is we're going to get our XRCAM, and we're going to turn our XRCAM on. So we're going to turn the Wi-Fi button in the up position, the recording video button in the up position, and the power button in the up position. So let's turn all of those on. You'll see your blue indicator light. and then you'll see the indicator light yellow flash 3 times. So once it's doing that, that automatically means that the Justice Cam is recording audio and video internally to the micro SD memory card that's right there. So it's already recording. So now what we're going to do, we are going to take our smartphone, and then we're going to go to the settings on our smartphone. So you're going to go to the settings. And then you're going to go to the Wi-Fi, and you're going to click on the Justice Cam, the signal that's coming from the Justice Cam, and that's this SZ signal here. So we click on that, and it's saying the status is connected. There's no internet. It's a non-internet Wi-Fi signal. The signal strength is excellent there, and okay. So the Justice Cam is already connected to my Android. So now what you want to do is you want to go to your XRCAM app. And we're going to open up the XRCAM app. And it's saying allow XRCAM to access this device's location. You want to click allow. And you're also going to want to agree to all of these different terms and conditions here. Click agree. And the next thing you want to do is click on this camera here. And it's saying that the camera was added successfully. So we're going to click on this. And it's asking us to set a password. So you can set something simple. I usually like to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you're going to want to enter it in twice. It is saying the camera was succeeded and it was added successfully. And so now we're just going to tap our finger on the camera here. And the Justice Cam is now transmitting signal here. You're going to want to agree to that. You can back out of this right here. And as you can see, the Justice Cam is transmitting live signal there. And that is how you download the XRCAM smartphone app to your Android. And also that is how you use the Justice Cam. So hey everybody, here is the code again for you to use to scan to download the XRCAM app to your Android smartphone. So all you have to do is just scan this code right here. You can probably scan this video with your QR code reader and it'll work. All right, and that's the Justice Cam transmitting a live signal. So I want to thank everybody for watching this tutorial. Be on the lookout for more Justice Cam tutorials coming soon. Thank you and have a blessed day. Bye-bye.